Long, long ago, in a village near Pondicherry, there lived a very wealthy trader called Subbu. Subbu had a son, Somu, who was a very clever boy. Their neighbor too had a son, Muthu. Muthu was thoroughly spoiled. His parents doted on him and let him do exactly what he pleased. So every day, Muthu did the craziest of things, and his parents made no effort to stop him. The boy's favorite pastime was throwing stones at the customers who came to Subbu's shop. His parents merely looked on and did nothing. The customers or Subbu shouted at the boy. He chuckled and threw more stones. Soon people stopped going to Subbu's shop because although they liked doing business with him, they didn't like being pelted with stones every time they went to the shop. Poor Subbu was very unhappy. He went to his neighbor and said,
"Please ask your son not to throw stones on my customers."
His parents paid no attention. Subbu then complained to the headman of the village, but the headman only said, "This is the act of a mad boy, and he cannot be held responsible for it. You must forgive him and carry on with your business as best as you can." There was nothing Subbu could do. He went home very disheartened. Subbu's son Somu, who had heard the headman's verdict, was very unhappy to see his father so unhappy and decided to do something about it. The next morning, when his father opened the shop, Somu stood outside facing the neighbor's house. Whenever Muthu hurled a stone, he caught it and kept it. He didn't miss a single one. Day after day, Somu caught the stones, making sure the customers were not hurt, and every evening he took the stones home. Muthu came out of his house, grinning from ear to ear. He threw a packet at Subbu's shop and disappeared into his house. Somu caught the packet and opened it. To his surprise, he found it was full of jewelry, not stones. Gold earrings, necklaces, and earrings, no studs, glittered in the bright sunlight.